Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to make Discord welcome message. Visit the Me6 website. Click on the Add to Discord button. Choose the server where you want to set up welcome messages. Click Continue and click on Authorize. Go back to Discord. Create a new channel named Welcome. Open the channel settings. Click on Permissions. Turn off the send messages. Return to Me6 website. Click on Welcome and Goodbye from the dashboard. Enable the option Send a message when a user joins the server. Choose the welcome channel you created for welcome messages. Choose whether you want the message to be a normal message or an embed. Write the message you want to use for welcoming new members. You can mention a channel in the message by copying and pasting the channel's ID. Optionally, you can enable the welcome card to enhance the visual appearance of the welcome message. You're all set now. Whenever a person joins your server, they'll receive the welcome message you've configured using the Me6 bot. It's a great way to make new members feel welcome and engage in your community. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!